So friends, today I'm talking in this video that I can give an website there. That website provide a lot of job opportunity as well as online training and give you a certificate with provide internship opportunity. So friends, let's see, the website is known as, you can see, is a intersala.com. This is an absolutely online in website that gives a lot of job for the freshers and who get completed their graduation. And so friends, there is a lot of jobs and which category which company provides. The first thing you can see is an internship. There is a lot of the internship app available, work from home internship in Bangalore's in every city of India. They provide the all internship. You can see here internship Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai, Pune, Kolkata, Jaipur, all types of internship, and they can also provide the international internship. So friends, if you can see here, computer science internship, marketing, which subject they can provide? Computer science, marketing, finance internship, mechanical, HR, digital marketing, electronic, content writer, all types of internship subject provide. And which category? Engineering category. Engineering category are eligible to computer science internship and MBA internship, part-time job internship, all types of internship are available this site. So sir, this is an absolutely opportunity. During the internship you also have to get the stipend from this mm, companies. So friends, without internship they can also provide online training. You can see here's lots of online training provided on the different subject and different category and different company. You can see here programming, all types of programming in category subject are available for this. Java, Android programming, ethical hacking, web browser, all types of programming in they can provide online training. And digital marketing, advanced Excel, all types. If you see here designing, graphic, animation, WordPress and creative arts, and they can provide also online training, French language. Under data science, if you can see here, specialization, marketing and architecture, career development, all types of online training they can provide. So friends, they not only provide the online training, they can provide an online certificate which is most valuable for us. You can see here core engineering, AutoCAD 3D, SolidWorks, advanced SolidWorks, all types of engineering training they can provide. So friends, after training, how we can get job? This site will provide also freshers job after training. They not only provide the training and certificate, they also provide a various job. You can see here, if we click here the freshers job, they can see here lot of jobs are available. Sales manager job, you can see here 3,30,000 to 4,50,000 per annum average salary. You can immediately apply. And so friend, this is a freshers job. If you want to this job, you can click here, the all the details are available. You can see here, this is one of the best job I can think. 7 lakhs per annum, 3 lakhs per annum, corporate sale 6 lakh per annum. All types of high quality job are available in this area. You can also search here like in 3D printing and then the so 3D printing job for the favor, no job available, but we can see the another. If you see account, and then you can see here the accountant job in Delhi located. You can search is Delhi or the Bangalore. This is an accountant job. We can see here lot of accountant job are available. So friends, you search here category and location, and you can see here which type the job are available. You can see here now 144 job are available for the freshers. So friends, this website give a lot. So friends, we if we click here, sale managers and omni sport leaders and retail job in Hyderabad located. If you can see here, all types of details are available in this site. This is an so all the company details and the job criteria, which are eligibility, which are responsibility you have a require for this job, and skill, English proficiency, and who can apply. All the details you can see here. The salary, CTC breakup, fixed component, variable component, and park also here. Number of the opening 8 you can apply. And then so friends, this Interstellar website give a lot of opportunity to these freshers, to these friends. If you can see here, a student special offer for this purchasing degree. If you want to continue your degree in distance, you can also provide the various type of the degree. And if you click the next, you can volunteer drive. So it's that is so much. So I think is so much. One website give internship, training, certificate, job. So friends, you don't waste this time. You can just register in this site as a student or as an employee, and you can click and search your eligibility and choose your job from this website. You can see here popular category: part-time job, engineering job, NGO job, MBA job, designing job, science job. All are available in this here. Inter seller training, which type of the training provide, freshers job. So friends, this is one of the best site I can think. So friends, comes to this site and take your job and become the financial free. So friends, if you want to earn more money from this website, you can subscribe my channel. I can really provide one video that you can track opportunities from this online. Thank you friend, for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you for today.